Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recreate this really fun, glittery, kind of melting tears style look inspired by the new TV show, Euphoria Season 1, Episode 1. I was instantly hooked on this TV show. I highly recommend checking it out if you have yet to watch it. This look in itself is very theatrical, fun, perfect for a bunch of different style looks. So to get started, I'm just basically going to even out my skin tone using these two stick foundations from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So to start the eye, I'm first going to use this color here from my Profusion palette. This is a really fun shadow that first looks brown, but when you apply it, it shifts to a blue-purple tone. So I'm going to pat this on the lid, then blend up and out to the crease. Then to add a highlight to my brow bone, I'm using the Crushed Pearl True Blend highlighter from CoverGirl. Now for the fun glitter, I'm going to use a few different products. I'm first going to use the Lime Crime Diamond Crushers Cream Eyeshadow. And I'm going to place this on the outer corner of the eye, blending out towards the hairline and down on the cheekbone. I'm also going to place this right on the lid, closer to the lash line. I'm using a silicone brush to apply this, that way I get all of the product's payoff, but you can just use a regular brush or your finger if you would like. Then using some lash glue, I'm going to apply some loose glitter over top. Some of these are in just a small circle shape, others are cut out like a star. These are more of like a holographic style, so they're multicolor, but you could use whatever color you would prefer. Now for that dripping glitter look, I'm going to use the NYX Honey Do Me Up, and I'm going to mix this in with the Violet Voss Unicorn Party Glitter. I'm using that same applicator to apply this and placing this right underneath the lash line, sort of mimicking the same look you would get if you were actually crying. So kind of pulling this under the eye and then pulling down. This glitter was perfect for this look. You get the multicolor, but also it pulls more of a dominant blue shade, mimicking the same look from the TV show. So I'm just going to add a bit more contour and bronze to the face to really shape up the rest of the nose and cheekbones. Then lightly fill in my brows using a tinted brow gel just to really shape them up so they're not looking all crazy. I'm going to add a bit more of that same highlighter we used in the beginning on our brow bone, but this time adding it to the nose, cupid's bow, my lip, and cheekbones. For the lip, I'm going to use this High Shine lip gloss from Urban Decay called Star Stunner. This is the perfect shade for this look. It can be used alone or as a lip topper, but it is also a multicolor, sort of holographic style. I'm also going to lightly line the waterline using two different color Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencils. I'm using the darker blue on the top lash line or waterline and the lighter blue on the bottom. Everything used for this video will be listed in the description box, so be sure to check that out for more information and direct links to shop anything mentioned. Then I'm just going to finish up the eye using my ColourPop mascara in black. I did this pretty subtle because I did want the glitter to be the focus of this look. However, you could definitely add more mascara or false lashes if you would like. So that's everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my other Halloween style tutorials. I'll also have that in the description bar for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.